This is the travel journal Notion template, and this is a part of the all-in-one travel planner and journal Notion template that I have to plan everything for your travels. And this is just a section of it. So if you want just the travel journal, you're able to get it on its own, and I'll walk through what it looks like. So this is where you can just add all of your journal entries and your memories from different trips. And here's an example of our time in Portugal. This was one of my favorite trips I've ever been on, and it just was amazing. So you have all of your trips and destinations and countries in US states that would, if that populates. When you add your trip, these actually auto-populate if they're connected. So you just add the trip and everything goes and connects to it automatically. And I have different journal entry prompts that you can automatically have in here. And again, you can update these and edit them any way that you want. So I have these different questions, and then I have a little section where you can add different social posts and videos and images into here that you want to save from the trip. And it's just really, really fun to have a space where you can go back and see all of your different memories from your travels. Let me know if you have any questions and reach out. And again, this is a part of the full travel planner and journal Notion template that you can get, but you're also able to get this section on its own.